Is your Chrome browser feeling slow or laggy? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to make your Google Chrome browser super fast, smooth, and responsive, just by changing a few important settings. You don't need to install anything. Everything I'll show you is already built into Chrome or Windows. So, let's begin and make your Chrome feel brand new again. First, let's clear the junk that slows Chrome down. Open Chrome, click the three dots, top right. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Select Time Range, All Time. Tick Cached Images and Files, and if you want, Browsing History. Then click Clear Data. It removes old files and temporary data that build up over time and slow Chrome down. Don't clear cookies if you want to stay signed into your websites. Now, let's turn on hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, System, and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Chrome will use your GPU for graphics instead of your CPU, which makes it smoother, reduces lag, and improves video playback, especially for YouTube or 3D sites. If Chrome crashes or freezes after enabling it, just turn it off again. Go to Settings, Performance, Memory Saver, and enable it. This feature automatically pauses inactive tabs so Chrome can focus its power on the tabs you're actually using. Faster browsing and lower memory usage. If you don't want some websites to pause, like YouTube while playing music, add them to the Always Keep Active list. Still in the Performance section, open Speed Preloading Pages and choose Extended Preloading. Chrome predicts which pages you'll visit next and preloads them in the background, making websites open almost instantly. It may use more data, so avoid it if you're on limited or slow internet. Go to Settings, System, and turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Chrome is closed. Some Chrome services and extensions keep running even after you close Chrome, which wastes memory and slows your PC startup. Once you turn this off, Chrome will fully close when you exit it. Click the three dots, Extensions, Manage Extensions. Turn off or remove anything you don't use. Every extension uses memory and can slow Chrome, even when idle. Keep only the ones you truly need. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Pop-ups and Redirects, and set it to Don't Allow. This will fewer annoying pop-ups, less background activity, and a cleaner browsing experience. In Site Settings, scroll to Camera, Microphone, and Location. Set them to Don't Allow sites to use your location, camera, or microphone. This reduces unnecessary background checks and improves privacy. Keep these on only for apps like Zoom or Google Meet if you use them in Chrome. Now, let's disable hidden ad tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Ad Privacy. Turn off Ad Topics, Site-Suggested Ads, and Ad Measurement. Chrome will stop tracking your browsing activity to show you personalized ads. Now we will unlock hidden but advanced performance options. In your Chrome address bar, type Chrome:/flags and press Enter. Then search for Quick. Enable Experimental Quick Protocol. Makes websites load faster. Rasterization. Enable GPU rasterization. Lets Chrome use your GPU for visuals. Zero copy. enable both zero-copy video capture and zero-copy rasterizer. Reduces memory use and improves video performance. Parallel downloading. Enable it. Splits files and downloads them faster, up to 3 times speed. After enabling these, click Relaunch to restart Chrome. These are experimental features. Only enable the ones I mentioned and avoid changing others unless you understand them. If Chrome still feels slow, go to Settings, Reset Settings, Restore Settings to their original defaults. This resets all Chrome settings and removes extensions, flags, and customizations, giving you a clean start. Do this only if nothing else works, as you'll lose some personal preferences. Always keep your browser updated. Go to Settings, About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for update and install the latest version. New updates fix bugs and improve performance. And that's it! You've just optimized your Google Chrome browser from the inside out. It'll start faster, use less memory, load pages quicker, and feel cleaner overall. Try these settings one by one. You'll notice a big difference instantly. If this video helped you, hit the like button and tell me in the comments how much faster your Chrome feels now. Follow Tech to Oz for more smart and practical PC tips. See you in the next tutorial.